Hey everybody, it's Kim. I'm back with a second kit today, and I am calling this kit Spiced Curry because I was looking through as I was organizing everything today, and I thought, oh, these colors are just so lush. They sort of remind me of the things that you would see in an Indian spice market. So I decided to call it that. I just thought that Spiced Curry kind of summed up the colors in this beautiful kit. So let me share with you what is in it. We will start off with this beautiful piece here. Look at the sparkle. It's gorgeous. It is gold and a lovely, almost light pumpkin color. And then this is on beautiful silk. And I absolutely love these pieces. They're heavily beaded. They have pearls and sequins and a gorgeous big gem in the middle, and then there's some sequins on the very, very thin and fragile, but still, you know, you can do something with it. Silk piece. It's just beautiful. There will be 2 medallions of this. Look at the sparkle again. Love it. This color I love. It is a pumpkin color with a gold band on it. This is part of a sleeve from a Sari, so I've included that for you. Lots of beautiful things you can do, and I've left the other side on it as well. So if you take this apart, you get 2 for the price of 1. You'll get the under part and the silk on top. And also, recently I have purchased some Cantha quilts, and I'm really excited about that. So I've included a piece of a Cantha quilt in this kit because I just thought that it matched the colors beautifully. So you're going to get a nice piece of Cantha quilt, and there's the other side with the red and the orange. And then the beautiful sort of harvest gold and orange and a touch of purple and green. I love it. And there's a tiny bit of black in there too, which you'll see coming up. And then this is one of my newer saris, and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. Look at those, all those little beaded pieces you're going to get. And then this beautiful, this is part of the underskirt of the sari, and it's in a lovely milk chocolate color. Like maybe not milk chocolate, maybe like a nut brown, like a nutmeg. Yeah, nutmeg. That's what it reminded me of. And then this is the fabric that is this, that has the beaded on it. I've also given you a piece of the fabric as well. And then this really pretty sari piece. It has a beaded trim on the bottom, super sparkly, and then it has these beautiful flowers, and then it has the stitching, which kind of reminds you of Cantha quilts. Let me find that again. This one is done by hand, as you can see. This one is done by a machine. And then one of my favorite sari pieces, the beautiful red with the metal embroidery and all the pearls. And it's in a gorgeous, like, chili pepper red. And then this kit will also have one of these beautiful, heavily beaded rhinestone pieces in it. There we go. Look at how gorgeous that is. And it's on a beautiful red fabric. And that was the piece behind it, so that's just part of it. And then there will be another piece of this beautiful pumpkin with a little beaded piece on it there and some rhinestones. A beautiful piece of red. It's like, it's not silk, but it's not cotton. It's like a linen almost. Very, very thin, but beautiful fabric. This would make gorgeous flowers, I think. And then it has some silvery gold, I want to say pewter trim. And I love this color. This is like a turmeric color with a burgundy strand, and I left the piece behind it as well. So again, you've got 2 pieces for the price of 1 there if you take that apart. And then here is another like yellow curry color. And I included this piece because it kind of picked up the colors of all of the browns and the golds and like the nut brown, the gold. I just loved it, and it's a beautiful silk. I love working with this fabric. I've used it to make bags. I just like it. It's a really nice fabric to work with. And then here is a beautiful, I want to say, again, like a turmeric almost, but it has an orange undertone. Really pretty. And then this beautiful piece of silk here, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Let me see. But there is like little tiny polka dots on this. I don't know if you'll be able to see them in the corner there under my hand. But again, it's that beautiful nutmeg color. And then of course we've got some reds in the silk. And this one I really like. This one is really, really fragile, but fragile in a good way, I mean, like super thin and silky. Beautiful pattern on it too. And then here is the other sort of yellow curry color with the polka dots on it. Hopefully you can see the polka dots. They're like a brown polka dot. So pretty. And then a beautiful light peach color that has these little beaded pieces on it. Super pretty. And then this beautiful embroidered piece with the hot pink flowers. And this is like a paprika color, I think. That's what I would say that is, like paprika. And then I included a piece of this beautiful gold satin because I thought it just went so well with all of the other colors. Like you could mix and match these with this beautiful gold. So I've included a piece of this beautiful gold satin for you. And then the last piece is this really amazing fabric. Nice big paisley piece on here, but if I flip this over, I mean, oh, look at that gold. So you could use either side of this. This is the wrong side, but I kind of like this side. I mean, it's bold, it's in your face, but I love it. I think it's amazing. Or you could do the black and red side. So that is my spiced curry sari kit. And as with the blue one that I just put up, this one is $12 because the pieces are bigger than my snippet kits. And you can email me down below. How many pieces are in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Love this color. 11. I love this one too. 12. 13, 14, oh, who doesn't love that? 15, 16, this is a nice big piece too. 17, 18 is the Cantha quilt. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 pieces for $12. So good deal, and it's a great way to build up your stash of saris. So let me know if you're interested. The details of my email are in the description box below. Email me, leave a comment on this video. $12 plus shipping. Thanks guys, bye.